Looking for style inspiration? Learn how to transform a simple statement jacket into a stylish outfit. Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style a statement jacket. A statement jacket can really elevate an outfit, but can be a bit tricky to figure out what to pair it with. I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks on how to make this jacket look its best. So if you're looking for some style inspiration, you're in the right place. Statement jackets are a great way to make a bold fashion statement while still looking amazing. Whether you're looking for a way to spice up your everyday wardrobe or you're shopping for a special occasion, a statement jacket is the perfect piece to make you stand out. From classic leather jackets to modern blazers, there are many stylish ways to wear your statement jacket. With the right styling tips, you can create a look that's both eye-catching and comfortable. In this video, we'll showcase 5 stylish ways to wear your statement jacket and look amazing. I have here this jacket from Worth that incorporates both knit and leather that pairs well with so many different pieces. From mixing and matching with your favorite basics to styling with unexpected pieces, these tips will help you create a unique look that's sure to turn heads. Now let's get started. First, mix and match basics. Create a timeless look by pairing your statement jacket with a classic white t-shirt, blue jeans, and sneakers. Mixing and matching your favorite pieces is a great way to create a unique look that's both timeless and stylish. When styling your statement jacket with basic pieces, you can't go wrong. A classic white t-shirt, such as this one from COS, blue jeans, and sneakers are an easy way to take your look from day to night. If you're going for a clean, timeless look, try pairing your statement jacket with a plain white t-shirt and dark blue jeans. For a more dressed up look, try pairing your statement jacket with a printed t-shirt or shirt and dark denim. In this instance, we've paired our jacket with dark denim from JBrand, shirt from Equipment, and a pair of Chelsea boots from Everlane. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns with your jacket. The neutral tones of the black and white stripes helps to enhance the look and doesn't pull away from the attention of the statement piece. Style with unexpected pieces. Create a unique look by pairing your statement jacket with unexpected pieces like a maxi dress or a jumpsuit. A dress or a jumpsuit is a great way to add a stylish new take to your everyday outfit. For a more casual look, try pairing your statement jacket with a pair of high-waisted jeans or a pair of wide-leg pants. Add a pop of color. Give your outfit an extra punch of style by adding a pop of color with a bright bag or a pair of bold shoes. Adding a pop of color is a great way to make your outfit stand out. Color blocking with neutrals is another way that you can add more color and dimension to your outfit if you don't have a lot of bright colors in your wardrobe. In this instance, I've paired a white bag with these burgundy shoes, but kept the other pieces including the trousers, belt, and turtleneck monochromatic. This way, these pieces don't compete with your jacket and accessories. Layer up. Layer your statement jacket over a collared shirt and pants for a structured look that can easily go from the office to dinner. In this instance, we've paired this white button down from Uniqlo with tailored trousers from Maison Margiela and Chelsea boots from Everlane. The different textures of leather, knit, cotton, and the wool from the trousers helps to add dimension to the look and make it stand out. For a more casual look, try pairing your statement jacket with a collared shirt and jeans. You could easily switch out this white button down for something like this one from Acne Studios and trade in the black trousers for denim versions instead. Play with proportions. Balance your statement jacket with oversized trousers, suit trousers, or a slim fit midi skirt for an interesting and modern look. This is a great way to make your outfit stand out while still keeping it classic and sophisticated. With the right styling tips, you can create a look that's both eye-catching and comfortable. A statement jacket is one of the most versatile pieces of clothing that you can own. It can be worn at any time of the year and with any outfit. It can also be paired with just about anything. From a jeans and tee ensemble to a structured pair of trousers in Oxford, your statement jacket can be worn in any setting from day to night. In this video, we discuss 5 ways in which you can style a statement jacket. I will list out every item mentioned in the description below. Thank you again for watching this video. If you'd like to comment, please do so below. Like and subscribe if you can, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.